This program is brought to you by the Ministry of Education and Vocational Training Zanzibar in collaboration with Good Neighbors. The program is funded by COICA.
Dear listener, you may learn many useful concepts of mathematics in this program as far as you pay attention. However, our program today is special for Form 3 mathematics learners. The program will provide free discussion on describing the equator, great circles, small circles, meridians, latitudes, and longitudes. Self-assessment is allowed while the program is going on. For our lovely teacher, the program will help you to prepare a simple lesson for your students so that they will learn with joy and improve their performance.
It's so hot today. What time is it now?
Hello, Musa.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, Salma, nice to meet you too. Where are you going?
At New Amani Stadium.
Is there any relatives there?
No, Musa. Just to watch Mapinduzi Cup semi-final.
At what time the game starts?
At 9:45. If you don't mind, let's go together.
Alright, let's go, but it is too early to enter the stadium now.
What time is it now?
According to my watch, it is 8:30 p.m.
Not so bad. We will book the tickets and wait for time to come.
Alright. Salma,
Yes?
why these days the temperature is so hot?
I don't know, because even I sweat a lot.
Hey, conductor, drop us at Amani Stadium, please.
Let's find a shop to buy some water.
Good idea. Excuse me, I need 2 bottles of water. How much does it cost?
2,000 shillings only.
Oh, Mr. B.
It's you.
Yes, how are you?
We are fine. Do you work here?
Yeah, but just temporary work.
Temporary?
Yes, temporary.
How?
Just for this Mapinduzi Cup celebration days only.
These days the temperature is too hot, Mr. B.
Yeah, we sweat regularly, both at night and day. Why is it like this?
That is just due to genetic factors and geographical changes.
Genetic factors and geographical changes. How?
Let me ask you,
Alright.
where do we live on the earth?
Do you mean our country position on the earth?
Yes, of course.
It is in southern hemisphere.
Fantastic. In southern hemisphere, ocean area is more than land area.
Ocean area is more than land area. What do you mean?
I mean, water is usually slow to lose its heat. That's why it's so hot.
Why are other months different?
Good question, Musa. Period like this, the sun rays hit direct below the equator.
Below the equator?
Yeah, I mean in southern hemisphere. And this is where we live on the earth.
What is the equator?
I just knew you would ask me that.
Hey, stop laughing.
Worry out, Musa. I'll explain it to you.
Good. But do you know the shape of our Earth?
Of course, a sphere.
No.
So what?
Because the surface of the Earth is very close to being a sphere.
Uh-huh. It is roughly sphere.
Mathematicians, astronomers, and the navigators benefited on a lot of the Earth to be as a sphere.
Wow, very interesting.
How about equator?
Equator is a line that divides the Earth into two hemispheres.
Can you name those two hemispheres?
The southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere.
Good, you are correct.
Oh, thank you, Mr. B.
Oh yes, I remember. Teacher Shemsa told us the equator is an imaginary line located at 0 degree latitude.
Excellent. Equator is used as a reference point.
How?
Is when travelers and map makers determine location of an object on the earth.
Wow, I didn't expect you would say that, Salma. Good girl.
Thank you.
Salma,
Yes?
you said an equator is located at 0 degree latitude, right?
Yes. Let Mr. B sell water. I can answer your questions.
Tell me, what is latitude?
There are other imaginary lines apart from equator.
You mean latitudes are imaginary lines like equator?
Yes, they are imaginary lines drawn on the earth.
Are there any other imaginary lines?
Yes, there are, and they are known as longitudes.
Okay, imaginary lines on the earth are equator, latitudes, and longitudes. Are they all located at 0 degree?
No, only equator is at 0 degree, but all helps to measure and identify distance on the earth's surface.
You said they are used to measure and identify distance on the earth's surface. How, Salma?
Any location of a place on the earth's surface is written by latitude, then followed by longitude.
Still not clear to me. Can you give me an example?
Yeah, Dar es Salaam is at 7 degrees south, 39 degrees east.
Oh, it means Dar es Salaam is located at 7 degrees latitude and 39 degrees longitude.
Exactly.
Wow, very interesting.
Really?
Yeah. What are latitude lines?
Latitudes are imaginary lines drawn from west to east or east to west.
Okay, latitudes are imaginary lines drawn from west to east or east to west.
Yeah, and measured from 0 degree at equator to 90 degrees at North Pole or 90 degrees at South Pole.
Can you say it again, please? I didn't catch you.
No problem. They are measured from 0 degree at equator to 90 degrees at North Pole or 90 degrees at South Pole.
Uh-huh. Can you give me an example?
Why not?
Okay, go ahead.
Tanzania is at 6 degrees south latitude, while Ghana is at 6 degrees north latitude.
How about longitude, Salma?
Longitudes are drawn from north to south.
Okay, longitudes are drawn from north to south. Are they also measured from 0 degree to 90 degrees north or to 90 degrees south?
No, Musa. They are measured from 0 degree meridian to east or to west.
Meridian?
Yes, meridians are numbered east or west from 0.
What do you mean?
I will explain it to you later.
Why?
Because there are concepts we should know first.
What are they?
Can I ask you a question?
About what?
Stop being afraid.
Okay, ask me.
Alright,
Stop laughing.
fine. Do you know small circle and great circle of the earth?
No.
Let's ask Mr. B.
That's good.
I've been listening to your conversation for a long while. Musa,
Yes?
please go and buy 2 oranges at the next shop.
Here they are, Mr. B.
Alright, thank you. Give 1 to Salma and keep 1 for yourself.
Okay. Take this one.
Thanks.
Thank you, Mr. B.
Well, Musa, cut your orange near the bottom.
Okay.
Salma,
Yes?
cut your orange, but cut it through the center, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
We are
yes,
ready.
we are ready.
Excellent. Now, observe and compare your slices.
My slices are equal. They are 2 equal parts.
Exactly. That is a great circle.
What do you mean?
I mean, if the cut surface passes through the center of the sphere, then it is called a great circle.
Great circle. How about its radius?
Good question, Salma. Is radius equal to the radius of the earth? Because great circle divides the earth into 2 equal halves.
Wow, very interesting. So equator is the great circle.
Exactly. How about your slices, Musa?
One of my slices is smaller than that slice of salmon.
Fantastic. That is a small circle.
Small circle?
Yes, Musa. If the cut surface passes through any point rather than the center of the sphere, then it is a small circle.
So, small circles do not cut into equal halves.
How about its radius?
Good question. Its radius is smaller than the radius of the sphere
Why?
because all small circles divide the sphere into 2 unequal parts.
Are all small circles having equal radius?
No, the radius becomes smaller as they approach the poles.
We really thank you, Mr. B. We enjoyed and learned a lot.
Thank you too for your company. Have you bought tickets?
Yeah, here they are.
Okay, time has gone. Any time from now, the player will enter the football field.
Okay, Mr. B. Bye.
Bye.
What time is it?
It is 10 o'clock p.m. The match will start soon from now.
Okay.
Today I enjoyed and learned a lot, son.
Really?
Yeah, because now I know the earth is not a total sphere.
Also, we know the line which divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere.
Which one?
It is called equator.
Fantastic. And what is the relation between latitudes and longitudes?
They are all imaginary lines.
Good. Also, they are drawn on the face of the map.
You are correct, but longitudes are drawn from North Pole to South Pole.
Fantastic. While latitudes are drawn from east to west.
Our journey has been very beneficial.
Absolutely. Don't forget small circle and great circle.
Yes, great circle divides the earth into 2 halves and has radius equal to radius of the earth.
Excellent, Salma. How about small circle?
All circles which have radius smaller than the radius of the earth are called small circles.
Thank you so much, Salma. You really learned a lot.
I thank God, don't you?
Me too. Let's go to the playground now.
Don't forget to take water.
Salma, let's sit here. It is the center like equator. Soma.
soma mwana soma, uwe mjini. Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe kijijini. Soma, soma mwana soma, ukiwa na mahitaji maalum. Soma, soma mwana soma.
Thank you, Musa and Salma. And thank you, our dear listener. We are all happy to gain more mathematics skills. It is our hope that you will be engaged in more discussion about the Earth as a sphere. Now, here are the questions about the topic for further discussion. Number 1. Differentiate between latitudes and longitudes. Differentiate between latitudes and longitudes. Number 2. Differentiate between small circles and great circles. Differentiate between small circles and great circles. Number 3. Explain why the radius of small circle is smaller than the radius of the Earth. Explain why the radius of small circles is smaller than the radius of the Earth. Well, don't forget to share your work with your friend. Here is the end of this program, but you're so welcomed in the next program. Until next time, bye-bye.
Happy, 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 happy radio class. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy, happy radio class. Happy, 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 happy. You can be a pilot, you can be a doctor.